And welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today's vlog is about the productivity that I have showed after coming from school, and also how have I made my study plans. Everything I'm going to show you. So before any further ado, let's begin. So guys, right after coming from the school, I'm completing my assignments. I'm completing my homework. मुझे आज हिंदी में होमवर्क मिला हुआ था, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स कंप्लीट करना है. एंड यू नो ना कि हिंदी लिखने में कितना ज़्यादा टाइम जाता है, तो अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 1 से 1.5 घंटा अभी मेरे हिंदी लिखने में जाएगा. एंड देन आई विल प्रोसीड टू माई नेक्स्ट वर्क, जो कि है 10 यूरोपियन कंट्रीज़ के नेम और उनके कैपिटल्स को याद करना. सो आई विल डू दैट. अभी सबसे पहले हिंदी कंप्लीट करना है. बहुत टाइम लगता है यार हिंदी कंप्लीट करने में, एंड ये चीज़ मैं 2 दिन से इम्प्लीमेंट कर रही हूँ कि स्कूल से आने के जस्ट बाद हमें होमवर्क कंप्लीट कर लेना है. तो इससे हमारा टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा बच जाता है. आई हैव नोटिस्ड, क्योंकि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा नींद आती है, तो मैं जैसे ही खाना खाती हूँ मुझे नशा चढ़ जाता है, तो मैं सोने लग जाती हूँ. इसीलिए मेरा वर्क पेंडिंग रह जाता है शाम के लिए, और उस वक्त मैं सेल्फ स्टडी नहीं कर पाती हूँ. अपने होमवर्क को कंप्लीट करना पड़ता है मुझे. सो इसी वजह से अभी हम लोग सबसे पहले होमवर्क कंप्लीट करेंगे, एंड देन वील ईट आवर लंच, एंड देन वील स्लीप फॉर अप्रॉक्स 2 to 3 hours because that's my need, and then at evening we'll do self study finally. So let me complete my work first.
My Hindi homework and the rain has begun. Yay! Now we'll have some fun while watching these raindrops and completing my work.
Oh my god, guys, literally मेरी कमर अकड़ गई है ऐसे बैठे बैठे स्टडी टेबल को लेकर. एंड फाइनली आई थिंक मैंने स्टार्ट किया था 1:30 पे, एंड इट्स एग्जैक्टली 3 PM. सो इट टुक मी 1.5 hour to complete Hindi work. Let me show you how much it was. See, I started writing it from 7 number, and it was like this.
See how much I had to write.
My fingers are literally aching right now, as I had to write so much, and that also in Hindi. So you can understand my problem. And now I'm going to sleep at 3 PM. So let's see when I wake up. And whenever I'll wake up, I'll do some self study. Means I'll solve some maths, because मैंने प्रॉमिस अपने आप को किया है कि डेली मैं एटलीस्ट 5 क्वेश्चंस या 10 क्वेश्चंस मैथ्स के करूँगी, सो दैट मेरा मैथ्स सही रहे. क्योंकि मेरा मैथ्स वीक है, और अगर मैंने उसे ज़रा सा भी छोड़ा तो वो और ज़्यादा वीक हो जाएगा. सो इसी वजह से मैं थोड़ा सेल्फ स्टडी करने वाली हूँ, एंड आई डू माई वर्क, आई ईट स्नैक्स एंड एवरीथिंग. सो लेट्स टेक अ नैप नाउ.
And guys, I want to tell you one more thing, that 10th class Hindi stories are OGs. लिटरली अभी तक मैं इतनी ज़्यादा बोर होती थी हिंदी पढ़ने में, और मेरे को बिल्कुल भी इंटरेस्ट नहीं था हिंदी में. लेकिन दिस ईयर द स्टोरी ऑफ तातारा एंड वामीरो, तीसरी कसम शिल्प, क्या था स्टोरी का नाम, हाँ, तीसरी कसम के शिल्पकार शैलेंद्र. दिस 2 stories are literally goat. Means wow, I love to read them. I heard their stories from YouTube, and also the great sir has taught me, who is my Hindi teacher in school. So do read that story, and that is amazing. You'll love it for sure.
So guys, I woke up at 5:30 PM, and after that I scrolled some reels and used some Insta, and now I'm going to study. I'm going to solve maths. So I'll be solving maths right now. देखते हैं कितना सारा क्वेश्चंस मैं कर पाती हूँ, क्योंकि अब मुझे बस सेल्फ स्टडी करनी है, और मेन प्रायोरिटी मेरा मैथ्स है. तो मैथ्स को सॉल्व करने के बाद we'll move on to another subject.
And today I'll read NCERT of another subject like economics. I have to read sectors of the Indian economy. So first let me complete my maths. I am solving quadratic equations right now, and I have solved it till 62 number, and now I'll proceed further. And in total we have 73 questions. So I have approx 11 questions to complete. So let me do it. I have solved till number 73. And also started exercise 4B. So now I'm going to sleep. I'll do some Insta and go to sleep. I'll see you tomorrow.
So guys, welcome to day 2, and this is already 10 PM in the night, and now I'll be doing dinner, and then I'll be studying, because I have thought to do late night study today. And I've also made a study plan for me, because my half yearly exams will be starting from 20th September, and it is already August and today is 3rd August and I have approx 40 days for my exam. So I have made a study plan inspired by Prashant Bhaiya. Prashant Bhaiya gave us the way how to make a study plan, and by his guidance only I have made one. So let me show you how is it. This is what I have made. This is of mathematics subject. I have written the chapters name which are going to come in my half yearly exam, and then wrote whether it is done or partial or fully left. So like this only I have written of social studies, science, English and Hindi also, and I have applied it on my whiteboard. So whenever I come in the room, I see it in front of me. So I have already studied metals and non-metals chapters because I had made the study plan 2 days before only. So till 1st August I had to complete chapter 3 of chemistry in metals and non-metals, and I have already done it. So from 3rd August to 6th August I have to complete my chapter 4, that is carbon and its compound. So today I'll be studying few things of carbon and its compound by Alak sir's gunshot. So I'll be studying that. And guys, let me tell you my syllabus of science. It's so weird. In chemistry, chapter 3rd and chapter 4th is coming in my half yearly exam. No chapter 1, no chapter 2. I don't know what's the base. And we are directly jumping to chapter 3 and chapter 4 that are considered the most difficult ones. But that's also beneficial because we have already studied the difficult ones, so it will be easier for us to study chapter 1 and chapter 2. So I'll be studying chapter 4 and solving few maths today. So
guys, I was solving exercise 4D now, and I have made the worst decision of directly making it in my fair copy. See, I have solved 27 number, I have cutted it. I solved 27 number again. I solved 28 number, and then it is also cut. So I had to solve it in again, and then only I realized that I should first do it in my rough copy, which is like this. I mean, it doesn't look good, of course, because it's my rough copy. Who cares? So here I was solving. Where is it? I was solving it here only in my rough copy, and I have solved it till 30 numbers. So that's why it's correct, because I had first solved it in my rough copy.
One more thing that मैंने अभी तक केमिस्ट्री के मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल्स को एक बार प्रशांत सर से पढ़ लिया है, एक बार अलग सर से पढ़ लिया था, और मैंने कल वापस से एक बार अलग सर से पढ़ा है. 3rd टाइम मेरा हुआ है मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल्स, एंड तब जाके मुझे थोड़ी थोड़ी चीज़ें समझ आनी शुरू हुई, क्योंकि हमने फर्स्ट चैप्टर सेकेंड चैप्टर कुछ भी पढ़ा ही नहीं था, डायरेक्ट 3rd पे जंप करा हमने. सो इट वॉज डिफिकल्ट फॉर अस अर्लियर, बट 3 टाइम देखने के बाद मुझे अब रियलाइज़ होने लगा कि इट वॉज ईजी. And same goes with chapter 4, carbon and its compound. I have already studied it from Prashant Bhaiya, Alak sir's gunshot, Sanya ma'am also, and then I am going to watch it again by Alak sir. So guys, मैं कार्बन एंड इट्स कंपाउंड पढ़ रही थी, और मुझे आपको अपना बुक दिखाना है अभी, क्योंकि मेरा बुक नहीं है, दैट्स नोट्स कॉपी, क्योंकि मुझे नोट्स बनाने में इतनी ज़्यादा आलस आती है कि आई प्रेफर राइटिंग इट ऑन द पेज ऑफ बुक ओनली.
How my book looks. Chapter 4, first of all, I have written some things here, and then here also, on the top of it, on the side of it. See how much points are highlighted. I have written here, and on the above, below, everywhere you can see I have written only. Means, see here, whatever questions sir gave, Alak sir gave, I solved it in the book only. And these are some points: alkene, alkenes, alkynes, and everything. Like I have written every freaking thing in my book. Wait, see. Even the general way of writing, these were very, very important. I have written all these in my book. See how it's looking. Means I don't even open my book in my school. What will anybody think that I have done of it? It was supposed to be so neat and clean, and I have made I don't know what of it. See, finally it's over.
Promise you guys to be regular, and that's it for today's video. We'll meet on next Sunday. Bye.